I think TikTok's still rolling. I think YouTube is catching up. Okay, so we should be back live on everything. Sorry, YouTube, I just shut you off. My bad. That's my fault. Um, I'm on YouTube and TikTok. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, let's make some calls. We're gonna run into a lot of people who are unfortunately. Let's try this guy.
Thank you for calling Ian Shore. Your call is very important to us. Please dial 0 at any time during this call to speak with the next available representative. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now or press 8 for a company directory. Thank you for calling Ian Shore. Your call is very important to us. Please dial 0 at any time during this call to speak with.
See if we can talk to somebody. Can you guys? I wonder if you can hear phone calls.
Ian Shore, this is Dennis.
Hi, Dennis. This is Dakota St.Pierre. How are you today?
Good, how are you doing?
Oh man, I tell you what, I could be a whole lot worse. I know I caught you on the later half of the day, but do you got a few moments to talk about some AI tools? I run a small business here in town, and I was wondering, I've been calling around some businesses and seeing who is and who is not using AI right now. I was wondering if you want to chat about that for a few.
Uh, I mean, you got me for a couple minutes because I'm actually out walking my dog.
I
I just
appreciate that
stepped
a
away from
ton.
the
Look,
computer.
look.
So you got a couple minutes, so we're good.
Okay, I appreciate that a ton. So my name is Dakota St.Pierre. I run an AI consulting group called Bayou AI Solutions. Essentially, what we do is we go into businesses and help streamline and automate some processes for them, and use AI solutions and tools. Right now, I work with two insurance agencies, an auto mechanic shop, and a restaurant. A couple of the things that I do for some of these people right now, we have a couple different workflows and automations that are business specific. Essentially, what that looks like is for the insurance agent that I work with, I streamline a lot of his paperwork process. So there's a lot of documents and different things he has to fill out on a daily basis. And essentially, what I do is I made AI tools that help do that specifically. A lot of these things are done locally or through secure databases. So all your information is secure. Only you and your chatbot can see that. Um, there's a ton of different options. But essentially, the big
Are
question.
those on the are those more with the insurance ones with those forms? Are they like the commercial brokers that have
Yes.
the probably the certificate of insurance type stuff?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I'm interested. Well, I don't do much commercial, which that's where I was hearing that. Like that's what I was thinking when you were saying that. But I'm sure there are probably a bunch of areas. I mean, I don't do anything right now. Even on my website, I'm supposed to be updating it, and I've been delaying.
that's
You know,
totally
like
understandable. We all
you know,
do it.
but I mean, I'm open to um, discovering what maybe where there's things could be done. But I mean, I'm a small man shop. I have a couple agents that work with me, but I have one employee, but it's primarily you know I'm the business.
Yeah, no, I completely understand that. I'm in the same boat right now. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I started this business about 8 months ago. We've accumulated a couple clients now. Essentially, what I am looking for is to tailor specific use cases for small businesses because I'm sure right now you've seen the huge AI wave and all the massive companies hopping on the AI trend, and it's working incredibly well. The unfortunate reality of it is a lot of the solutions being sold right now are on an enterprise level, and the vast majority of people just do not need an enterprise level of service. And that's where I'm trying to come in and fill the gap, you know. I'm not some super large corporation who's gonna sell you a one size fits all solution. Essentially, what I'm looking to do is help you find areas where you can save time to make you more money, to do the things that make your business more money.
Gotcha. And I'm, I would be interested. Maybe I mean I would be interested. Maybe we could talk more. Do you have my email address, or just you just got the phone number?
No, I just got your phone number. I would love to take down your email address. I can email you some stuff, send you over a meeting invite if you'd like.
Yeah, let me give you my email address, and let me look at things, and if I mean I'm as you can tell my website and stuff like that. I'm slow moving on stuff, but I would if we can if there's something we can we can discover that might work. I'm open to listening to stuff. So
Yeah, I
um,
appreciate that a ton, and I mean
but
that's what I'm looking to do. I'm trying to get in front of as
I
many.
don't know whether I I my who knows with my business, but I mean I'm open to at least look and see.
To at
But
least
my
give it a
email address
shot.
it's my first it's first dot last name, so Dennis DENNIS dot Sullivan SULLIVAN
Dennis Sullivan.
at einsure360.com. So it's EINSURE360.com.
360.com. So that's going to be Dennis.Sullivan at einsure360.com.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right, Dennis. I appreciate your time, man. I know walking the dog's probably one of my favorite times a day. I'm actually about to take my pup for a
I
walk.
mean, it's like this was actually the best time. And then the other one was good. People don't get it. It's like I get a good time. I'm driving. They're like, oh, I'm sorry. No, that's the best time.
No, that's perfect. Well, all right. So
But
what I'm
anyway,
gonna
yeah,
do?
no, I'll look for your email, and then I can look through that stuff, and then we'll see where it goes from there.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that a ton. I'm gonna shoot that over to you here in a few minutes, as soon as we get off the phone, and I'd love to hear back from you.
Perfect. Sounds good. All right. Thank you.
You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
All right. You too. Bye bye.
That's what we're talking about. That's what this is about. Come on. Come on. You're not gonna find these one-off situations unless you go looking for it. And then we move it to interested. Um, Actually, I'm gonna put it to booked. Um, that went well. That went very well. Back to it. So you see these contacts with the name dash there, Geico Insurance. They probably have a brick and mortar business. They work the 9 to 5, which is people we're wanting to target. We just have to understand if we're calling in Las Vegas right now. I'm calling from Louisiana, so it's 7:30, but we're attacking Las Vegas businesses, so it's 5:30 for them. Majority of them have already ended their day. So the people we're looking for on this list right now are going to be the guys like this, your insurance source, the Nuvo Health, the Valley Insurance Group, the E-Insure, whatever, yeah, the E-Insure. Um, and we're gonna stray a little bit farther away from these guys, um, just because they're less likely to answer their phone right now because that phone number probably goes to the office, and we're probably gonna have to talk to a receptionist, which is okay, because our tools still help them no matter what, right? And I think that's the important thing to note. Okay, let's no, fuck it, let's keep calling. Actually, shit, I'm gonna have to call them back. Hold on just for 2 seconds, guys. Split test number one. Testing calling. We're gonna call Nuvo Health. Let's ring up Nuvo.
Thanks for calling the Medicare store. We are so sorry we missed you. Our office is currently closed, but please leave a...
Okay, so that's not who we're looking for. Let's put that in contact. We're gonna move it though. Give me another second, guys. Did you hear it? So, alright, we're gonna put a hoodie on and we're gonna get back to calling. Let's rock and roll. I wish I could have TikTok pulled up so I could see the TikTok comments, but unfortunately I can't. It's so annoying. Actually, if you give me a second, I think I might be able to. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Guys, I'm saying guys, I'm talking to 30,000 people or something. Okay, let me pull this up. Okay, we're gonna get back to calling. Let's your insurance source. Let's call them.
Thank you for calling your insurance source. Our office hours are Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Fridays from...
All right, let's keep calling. We're gonna find somebody. I just found a good one. I gotta go. Actually, let's do that instead. Let's go.
Thank you for calling Valley Insurance Group. Our offices are now closed. Our regular hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now or remain on the line to leave a message in the general mailbox.
The formatting for TikTok sucks. There's got to be a way for me to format this differently. Why is it gonna show me being live first? I got a bucket for the sunshine. I got a bucket, and it's all mine. E-insure. Let's see what info we have on e-insure. Let's actually update this. We're gonna do go to our notes. Actually, don't know if I want to show his email. Oh, it's chapped. I'm going to turn this off for 2 seconds. Let me go back here. At 360.com. And let's update it. New update. Okay. So Dennis is now, and then okay, so let's go to mm, I'm in my email at the moment. I'm about to work on drafting an email for Dennis. Um, prob- oh, excuse me. Um, Give me a second, team. Give me a second. Email. I'm pretty certain I have my email. You already have MX records set up. Dakota at BayouAISolutions.com. Let me go here. Let me go here. Let me go here. Let me go here. Let me go. Ooh. Turn 8 through 2 2 7 3. Haven't gotten. Oh, I just did. I lied to you. One. Give me a second. Give me a second, team. I swear I'm gonna loop you in. 160815. I understand. Oh God. Let me just go ahead and make an account for my worker business. Try Google Workspace and no, I'm just gonna do it like this. Give me a second. Let me set up this email. Um, so we can. I'm gonna show y'all something cool. Yes. Oh, I'm having trouble setting up this email just because. All right, team. We're trying to make this. We're trying to make this email address so we can send Dennis an email. Oh, hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Give me some food. I still got some. It's my kitty cat. Oh. Give me a second, team. Hey, I'm gonna use your phone number for something. I need you to send me a code. What? What? Okay, give me a second. I just wanted you to be aware of it. Um, is that Nordog? She said that? I don't know if she said that. This phone number has been used too many times. What do you mean? I'm trying to make an email right now on Gmail. Yeah, I mean, I have 30 Gmail accounts, and it's telling me my phone number's been used too many times. I think it's just being annoying. All right, I'm gonna holler at you. I appreciate that. Are they? I'm gonna grab some sliders. All right, gang. Here's the deal. Right now, I'm trying to make an email. a business branded email so I can email Dennis and not send it from my personal email. It'll look a little bit weird if I send it from my personal email. Give me a second, gang. I'm gonna feed the dog. Dog doing. Boy. Oof. Sorry, yeah. I live hectic life. It's bullshit. Let me get out of here. Try something different. Let me try. Hmm. I don't know what I'm looking for. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. What should how do I see other inboxes here? Hmm. I'm a little bit old. This is what I want to use. Can I not send on behalf of that? Hmm. Why is it not showing me my live? Why can I not say goodbye? Guess I just go here.
Anybody that's watching, give me 1 second. And I'll be right back.
Let me get off of that. Whoops. No copyright. Friend domain. Oh, I like this better. I'll just flip back and forth between these two. I'll just do this, and that'll work out great. Okay, back to problem solving. So we do have a domain, and we do have an active domain. So does my brother. We also have a website. I want to know. Uh, I want to know how. Hmm. Wonder if I'm still running into issues with the. Oh. Still running into issues with hosting, but we don't want to work on that until we get this figured out so we can make sure we're having everything run smooth. And then I still got to do a video or so. I need to send this email. Priority number one, send email. How did you do that? Let me log out of this one. Maybe. Maybe that'll help. Let's do. Let's do like that. Let's do this. 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 Try one more. I'm about to use your phone number. I need you to send me a code.
All right.
318-447-3. What?
Is it going to be email or? Oh, you said.
Why? It's telling me this phone number can't be used. Why not? I'm not understanding here. I'm running into an issue. I'm trying to make a Gmail account at the moment, and I was just gonna use your number to make it, go in there, change it to mine, but it won't let me make it.
Because I have a Gmail.
No, because I have like six of them all using the same phone number, but it's just telling me I have too many. I mean, I don't think you have 15 Gmail accounts, do you? That's what I'm saying. Problem solve. How do I? Because I need to send an email to a guy real quick. But I want it to be under my branded Bayou AI Solutions at gmail.com because I like that. The name's not taken, so I was gonna take it, right? Yeah, I tried Brody's phone number, I tried Bradley's phone number. It's telling me everything isn't working, and I'm not understanding why.
Make it harder, man.
No kidding, huh? If they didn't make it harder. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try it one more time.
Type in the right number.
318-447 1133.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it says this phone number cannot be used for verification. I don't understand.
You can't do it by phone, though.
When you're making an email,
Hey, bro.
all right, man, I'm gonna holler at you.
Yeah. Yo.
I'm about to use your phone number for something. Let me know if you get a code. I'm trying to make a new a new Gmail, but I've used my phone number too many times for it. So I'm just gonna create it with yours and then go in and add mine to it after. Give me one, give me like 0.2 seconds. How you like the car?
It's nice. I took it off first soon.
How you like being able to drive?
Hmm?
So how you like being able to drive?
That's nice. I gotta go do my final version of it says shit. I just want to get some more experience with their car.
Yeah, I mean, it's a Malibu. I mean, it's gonna do everything it needs to. You know what I mean? It's a reliable ass car.
It's just a big thing. So,
520-729-8673. Let me format this properly. Is this you got a new phone?
not a new number.
Just a new number?
Yeah.
Yo, I am mind blown right now.
Hmm?
Okay, let me holler at you in a minute. It's still not letting me do it, even with your phone number. What the? Okay, give me a second. All right, chat, we're chopped. I don't know what's happening. It's not letting me. What the fuck? Close your mouth. It's not letting me set up this new email, and I have to email this guy because that's a guaranteed booked appointment. All I got to do is send him a pitch book. I don't want to send it from my personal email because I feel like that would matter to him. Remove that. I don't want to click on that. Zero. I got 2 terabytes of storage. What? Maybe if I do it for my child. Mm, 2023. Okay. I do not understand what I'm doing wrong right now. I'm not sure what is happening. Yeah, I mean, I just closed a prospect on a booked appointment and while on live stream. I mean, I made 5 calls and got 1 appointment. I mean, if I can close in that appointment, show him how this can save him time, that's easy money right there. I don't know why anybody doesn't try it. Literally all you have to do is try. The number one thing you have to do is put the effort in. Unfortunately, not many people are willing to put the actual effort in. Let me check on all the streams right now. Let me check on TikTok. See what TikTok's looking like. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Why do I look like that from the side? Good God, I'm ugly. All right, chat. Are we chapped? I can't get this fucking email. what should we do? Should we go back to building the chatbot? Let's go back to building the chatbot. All right, well, since I can't send him that email right now, I will get that sent to him before the night is over. Um, no, why would you do that? Oh, this is so incredibly annoying. It's not even funny. Okay, but getting back to what I was working on, I know this is working correctly. I'm just not going to be able to see the chat from it. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna get back to working on this chatbot that I've been working on. It's a pretty simple concept. Um, let's do like this. It's a very simple concept actually. Essentially what it is, why is it not letting me interact? Okay. Holy. Essentially what I do is I use a couple different tools to help build me my tools. The whole thing with AI right now is you don't have to know how to code. I know how to code. You don't have to know how to code. Um, right now, I mean, you can start out using something like Claude to code you a tool. You can package that tool using Claude and then sell that tool. One of the issues that I'm running into right now is hosting. Where we stand, page, structure, created. Yeah, hosting. So there's a couple different ways to host a website. Currently, I'm using For Sale's super easy. Um, Wait, that actually did way better than it's ever done. That means we're close to having it finished. What we need to do is we need to go back to the code. We're gonna have to get back in the pages. I have to adjust some of that stuff. So basic chatbot code deployed. Need to verify if it's actually live. Check if it's live. Find the URL. Test chatbot. Tell me if it works. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let's go here. Let's see if we can get a live version. Deploy now. No. No. So it's obviously not landing correctly. What about this? Deployment has failed. $35 issues. Oh, no. Well, that's fine. Yeah, and it's this easy. You go, I don't know how to interact. But essentially what it is it'll tell you um it'll tell you what you need to do and how to not only what you need to do but how to do it, right? So if we know that we want to build a chatbot with certain features and functionalities, we can come in here and talk to it about these functionalities, explain to it how we want it to work. Give me a second while I work on this. Okay, so number one error, font, unknown font, just mono. not seeing that. It's because this. I still have the. It's because I need to get rid of these files. I don't know how to get rid of this file though. I know how to add files. How do I take away files? Production. I gotta get rid of these three. And I think all of my. I think all my issues go away. Let's go back to code. Let's go back to TypeScript config.json. We have to get rid of this because it's empty. Yeah, it's empty. I emptied this. I emptied this. Did I empty this? Yes, I emptied this. Right, so all three of these are empty. Let's see what has app. Nothing has app in it. So what we're doing is we're going to screenshot this, put it here. I need to do. I'm gonna just show you a simple walkthrough, right? So like literally you can ask it to tell you what to do. So it told me what the issues were and it told me how to fix them, but I don't understand what it means when it's talking in, code language, right? So what we're gonna do is tell me what I need to do. Here's a picture of all my files. You're talking to me about specific files. I'm gonna ask it which one should I delete and which one should I keep. And then we'll see where that puts us. Hmm. Okay, that's a good point. So we're gonna do no idea. Okay, let's go back to I didn't need any of that. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new repository. We're gonna v2. We're gonna do public, we're gonna add a readme, we're gonna do all the good stuff, create the repository, we're gonna do add a file, create new file, we're gonna name our file, new repository, make it public, don't add a readme. Oh, uh, delete directory. redo all of that. Version 3. No readme. Create repository. Clinch hat v3. Let's can we I guess y'all can't really see my face, can you? Does that work better? Let me see. Give me a minute. Is that better? Does that look better? I guess it does look better. Okay. Okay. What we have to do is we have to add 2 files to this new repository. Let's go here. Let's go here. Create new file. We're gonna name it package JSON. Go there. We're gonna do this. Oh, we're gonna do this. We're gonna hit copy. Copied. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna commit changes. JSON file. Okay, then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna do our page index. Back to code. Add file. Create new file. There. Index.js. Chatbot. Copy. Here. Here. Commit changes. Okay, so that's our 2 files. Then we're gonna go back to here. We're gonna delete this. We're gonna connect it to. Is there any way to not connect it to that repository? How do I? Maybe I go here. Maybe to a new. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm gonna see if I can link it to a new repository. So what that means is we're gonna link the code coming over from GitHub to this new deployment. Continue the dashboard. Why is it linking to this one? Why is it called app? Yeah, that's not a full deployment. Yeah, that's not a full deployment. Yep. I don't want it to connect that. How do I? I have to deploy it from here. Yeah, that's not working at all. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to deployment. I'm gonna call it a night on the I'm actually gonna delete. Doesn't link to what I need it to. Mm, Okay. I think we're gonna log off for a little while. We're probably gonna film some videos and then get back to working on this stuff. I appreciate everybody who tuned in. If you did tune in, if you didn't, um, I appreciate it a ton. Let me go here. Go here actually. Everyone